What is a subject matter expert in souvenir photography? A subject matter expert, or SME, in photography is a team member who possesses advanced, practical knowledge across several core areas of the business, including photography technique, guest service, team integration, operational systems, and location-specific challenges. SMEs aren't just good at one thing. They understand the moving parts of the souvenir photography experience, how they connect from photographing guests to recognizing how staffing, timing, and layout impact the guest journey and revenue potential. In the field, SMEs serve as the go-to leaders. They coach new hires, guide best practices, and help problem solving in real time. Whether it's teaching camera settings to adjusting photographers throughout the park, SMEs help your operation run smoother and smarter. For example, an SME might train photographers on how to use a fill flash correctly, while also explaining how to time guest interaction so the line keeps moving and no one feels rushed. That's technical skill and guest empathy working together. Why does this matter for souvenir photography providers? SMEs are critical for creating training that sticks in systems at scale. They help transform tribal knowledge, things only your best people know, into standardized practices your whole team can follow. They shorten the learning curve for new staff, improve image consistency across all locations, and raise the baseline quality without needing a manager present at every step. In fast-moving environments like theme parks or cruise ships or zoos, having SMEs embedded in your team means fewer mistakes, better guest experiences, and higher photo conversion rates. Do you want to train and grow your team to have subject matter experts? Click the link below to learn about our souvenir photography training blueprint you can download and use today.